Hello my fellow food lovers, today I'll be showing you how to make Tom Brown, a highly nutritious cereal loved by both kids and adults. It's packed with protein, vitamin and energy to keep you going all day. So without much delay, let's get started. For this Tom Brown, I'll be needing these ingredients as displayed on your screen. I'll be needing some guinea corn, some millet, soya beans, wheat, white rice, white corn, some dates also. You can decide to add groundnuts. First thing you want to do is to boil your soya beans. I cook that soya beans for about 20 minutes, after which I check it to make sure it is soft. So when soft, I remove it from the fire and then peel out the skin very well. After that, I spread it out on a flat tray to dry it. It took about 3 days to get dried completely. Okay? After that, I brought out the other grains for washing. I started by adding my wheat, then the millet, the white corn and also the guinea corn, then the dates. I washed everything thoroughly about 2 times to make sure it is completely clean. Please do not skip this process. Things you are making for babies should be very neat and hygienic. So after washing, I spread it out on a flat tray and allowed to dry under the sun for about 3 good days. Okay, I equally wash the rice and also the dates too. Nothing is left unwashed. Okay, so once dried, everything together, starting with the dates, combined everything thoroughly together, getting ready for the next stage of processing of our Tom Brown. And now the first thing to do now is to roast our grains and nuts. Roasting enhances the flavor and improves digestibility. So start by roasting all the grains until it turns slightly golden brown. This time the aroma in your kitchen should be nutty and very attractive. I fried it about 4 times until everything has been roasted. So after that, the next thing to do is to blend into a smooth and fine powder. Please, if you don't have a very strong blender, don't even try to blend this at home because you won't like the outcome. So I blended this in a local mill in my area. After that, the next thing to do is to sieve out the shafts, because no matter how smooth it is, there will still be some tiny shafts in it. Okay, but some people just take it like that. It's left to you. So I sieved it out very well, and when everything is done, I pour it into this container. Store in an airtight container. This Tom Brown can last between 6 to 12 months at home. It doesn't spoil on time as long as it doesn't have contact with insect, water or any external damage. So it's so easy to make. Believe me, if you make it, you too, you will love it. To make the Tom Brown too is very easy, just like the way you make your pap or your akamu. In a bowl, mix about 3 to 4 spoons of the powder with a little cold water to make a smooth paste. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Slowly pour in the paste while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Stir for about 5 minutes until thick and smooth. That is it, guys. Our super easy Tom Brown is ready. You can add honey, sugar or milk. Since I added dates to my own, I'm not somebody that really fancy sugar like that, so I did not add any sweetener again. So guys, that is it. You can make this for your children, you can make it for yourself, you can make it for your family. It's super easy and very affordable to make. So guys, if you have watched this video till this time, thank you very much. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can be among the first to get notified each time I drop new videos, as I'll be dropping new videos every week. So until next week when I come again, God bless you and bye.